Welcome to another Goa vlog, and in this video I have rounded up 5 must visit lesser known restaurants in and around Vagator that, along with serving up really tasty food, offer amazing views, have beautiful interiors with cool as cozy vibes, or are really easy on your pocket. So although there are tons of different places to try in Vagator, here's my attempt at simplifying that confusion with my list of recommendations, which range from swanky to quite humble, that one can rarely go wrong with. First up is Jamun at Assagaon. Fret not, because Assagaon is situated only at a distance of 3 to 4 kilometers from Vagator, so getting there should not be a hassle, but it's recommended that you get your tables reserved beforehand. Jamun is done up in an old Portuguese heritage house that lends this place its uniqueness in terms of decor and its effortless old world charm and vibe, and I was simply blown away by its interiors when I first walked into it, that I just kept looking all around me to soak in and absorb the ambience that was going on. I was also a little skeptical initially, going by the reviews that I read online, but despite everything I decided to give this place a go, and I wasn't disappointed because everything that we tried there was so delicious, down to the pudding, which was coffee cream caramel, and there was a last piece remaining that night. Its menu is mostly Indian, and it has North, South, East Indian, Goan and Parsi selections, so you can expect homely, simple food, but with the right kind of experimentation, and I can't wait to be back here with my family the next time. And here we are at La Shanjana. I first came to this place with zero expectations, just for a sundowner, but stayed back because the ambience was so heady, surreal and wonderful that it felt like it was the best way we could have watched the sun set on the day as we got on our groove for the night. Lush is located atop a cliff facing the sea, that's Anjuna, and watching the sunset from up there is a spectacular experience, not just because of the view but because of the windy and upbeat energy of the sea that's right below you. And if you're lucky, neat electronica will be played inside the restaurant, and that sets the tone for the place both inside and outside as well. And if not so much for the food, I can totally vouch for the vibe of this place, and it's one thing that keeps me coming back. Their menu is mostly continental and Indian, and they also have a decent number of cocktails to pick from. Their one item though that I keep coming back for is their peri peri chicken wings. It's not a suggestion, but you can give it a shot. Chances are you might have seen this place in some quiet corner of North Goa, and there are also chances that it might have caught your fancy. This place is Maai in Assagaon, and I visited here on my birthday, and before even finding a place to sit, I remember I went taking a look around the entire interior like I was in some sort of an art gallery. The aesthetics were reminiscent of Jamun, yet found the decor to be more modern and the bungalow to be bigger. The vibe overall was something I bet everyone is going to love. The menu is largely continental and Goan. We tried their chicken wings. Please don't mind, chicken wings are a default with me. And the pork chili fry, and for the main course we had their inspired Goan curry, which looked something like this. All of them tasted good, so did the cocktails, and in the case of my eye, the reviews turned out to be what we had experienced as well. This one's for days when you want to be on a budget yet not compromise on good food and probably a good go on holiday sort of ambience. Vinayak in Assagaon is all that, and it's not a secret with the tourists anymore because we found Vinayak to be crowded with long queues each time that we went there, but the wait time doesn't exceed more than 10 to 15 minutes. A whole meal in this place will cost you about 800 rupees for 2 people, that too with starters and a couple of beers included. And it's not just the reasonably priced menu that draws people to Vinayak, it's also how good each of the food items are despite the heavy foodfall that this place sees on most days. Also, let's not forget the calm and serene view of this paddy field that lies on the right of the restaurant. The last one on the list is South Goa, another humble and pocket-friendly joint in Mapasa that specializes in Goan/seafood. We went here for a fish thali and were not disappointed. So this place is a no-frills place that focuses solely on food, so you know what to expect. For your thalis though, make sure you reach the seafood restaurants in Goa before 3 p.m. because during lunchtime is when they serve the thalis. So that was it for this vlog, and I'll be making more videos on this series covering more restaurants of North Goa. Until then, toodles!